Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And today I'm standing on board our 2020 Sea Ray 400 SLX Outboard. Obviously, you don't see a whole lot of boat around me. That's because I'm standing on one of the premier features on this boat, what they love to call their swim patio. This is a fantastic spot that just opens up one of the common choke points in any day boat. And this is the king of day boats. There's a bunch of features that make this 400 SLX stand out, and ours here in Sarasota, the beautiful blue hull, is incredibly unique in a few ways. New for 2020, Sea Ray has debuted their stone interior. It's gorgeous. Two-tone gray, including at the helm, the dash pad being a gray. This is just an effortlessly classy look throughout the boat. Of course, an outboard at this level would not be complete without Mercury as a partner, and in this case, 400. That's right, those are three 400s, 1,200 horsepower at the back of the boat. And it's a Mercury joystick system as well, so you have skyhook, heading hold, full autopilot capabilities, and plenty more. Come on, let's step inside and see a little bit more about this boat. This one is optioned with teak throughout. It is beautiful. The teak is phenomenal, it's thick, it's well done, and complemented by an incredibly large teak table at the settee. Now you need to pause for a minute and imagine how this would suit your family's life, because with this large amount of entertainment space, the ability to put 12 people comfortably on the water, or much more, with a yacht certification, there's so much you can do with this boat from an entertaining perspective. It's monstrous here. They even go so far as offering you multiple options here at the summer kitchen. In this case, we've got a prep area here, a grill, and a sink. You can do dual grills, no grills. You can change what you have here for refrigerators. In this case, we have an isotherm in the center, a wine cooler on the port side, and just a simple pair of trash cans all the way to the right. At the helm, the excellence continues on this boat. Individual pilot chairs here with movable bolsters. And at the dash, you've begun to get used to seeing Simrads, but on this boat, it's different. These are the NSOs. These are black box, full glass touch screens, and a pair of them effortlessly integrated into the dash. There's some of that stone influence from the interior I was talking about, along with this muted gray on the top. It's just a beautiful color. Of course, the 400 SLX comes with just an open area here. This window allows a little sunlight onto the dash while blocking the UV. Little detail that Sea Ray adds here. Convertible top on this boat, and for those who intend a weekend in it, a very, very comfortable cabin. You've got a V-berth forward with a second dinette area. You have beautiful teak steps down, as well as a large berth area in the rear, whether for playing or actually sleeping a second couple. You have a large LCD TV down below and a full wet head to complement things like a Fusion stereo system, a second refrigerator, and more that just make the cabin of this boat entirely a weekender. But true to form, this is originally a day boat. So if you follow me forward, you're gonna find the most expansive bow on any boat that is not classified as a yacht. That's a categorical statement because this boat makes a statement in its class. Incredibly comfortable, large table area here. Look at the cushions. Almost 6 inches through. You just can't appreciate the quilted detail, the love that Sea Ray has put into this boat. This is truly a design from a class leader, and that's what Sea Ray has here in the 400 SLX. This, if you haven't seen the pictures, go next and look at them. If you want to see more about Sea Ray, perhaps the 320 Sundancer and others, just like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have content like this coming out all the time. Again, I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax Sarasota, and we're on board our 400 SLX. We'll talk to you soon.